we'll walk you through how to turn off iCloud syncing on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing. While iCloud syncing is useful for backing up your data, it can get frustrating when content shows up on other devices you'd rather keep separate. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone at the top. Tap on your name to access your Apple account settings. Scroll down and select iCloud. Next, find and tap on iCloud Backup or Apps using iCloud. You'll now see a list of apps and features that are using iCloud. You can start turning off the ones you don't want to sync. For example, you can stop syncing contacts, photos, or reminders. When you switch off one of these, you'll often be asked if you want to keep the existing iCloud data on your device or remove it. So let's say I toggle off contacts. I can then choose whether I want to keep those contacts on my phone or delete them. In this case, I'll choose to delete them. Behavior may vary depending on the app. For example, reminders will be removed instantly, while Safari data gives you the option to either keep or delete it.